Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you avoid regrettable purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the ELEGOO Saturn and the Asani Mini. Spoiler alert, one's a beast, and the other, well, let's just say, it's trying its best. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The ELEGOO Saturn comes in at a sweet $352. Bargain, right? It's like getting a Ferrari for the price of a used Toyota. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is a bit more ambitious, asking for $500. For that price, it better print me a new best friend. Now, size matters. The ELEGOO Saturn offers a generous build volume of 218.88 x 122.888 x 250 cubic millimeters. That's enough space to print a small army of action figures or a life-size statue of your cat. The Asani Mini? Well, it's called Mini for a reason. It measures a compact 8.3 x 8.3 inches x 11.4. Perfect for printing, tiny keychains? Maybe a cute itty-bitty Eiffel Tower? Print quality is where things get interesting. The ELEGOO Saturn boasts a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with an insane resolution of 11,520 by 5,120. It's like having a Swiss watchmaker build your models. The Asani Mini, meanwhile, is more like a kid with a crayon. It's not bad, but let's just say it won't be winning any beauty contests. Reviewers love the ELEGOO Saturn for its detailed prints and consider it the best resin printer under $2,000. On the other hand, the Asani Mini is praised for producing high-quality prints with minimal tuning, making it great for beginners. Ease of use is a big deal, especially for beginners. The Asani Mini comes fully assembled and has auto-leveling. It's like the IKEA of 3D printers. Just plug and play. The ELEGOO Saturn, while not rocket science, does require a bit more setup. But hey, if you can assemble IKEA furniture, you can handle this. Reviewers note that the Asani Mini's user-friendly setup and app make it perfect for kids and beginners, while the ELEGOO Saturn is also user-friendly but requires following specific guidelines for optimal performance. Software time. The ELEGOO Saturn uses Voxel Dance Tango software and is compatible with Chitubox and Lychee Slicer. It's like the cool kid who knows everyone at the party. The Asani Mini, on the other hand, is open source and works with WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slicker 3D. It's like that one friend who tries to be friends with everyone, but ends up being kinda awkward. Special features, anyone? The ELEGOO Saturn has a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion, and a Fresnel collimating light source for super accurate prints. The Asani Mini, it's got one-touch filament loading, Wi-Fi capability, and a flexible magnetic build plate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers, but without the actual knife. Reviewers appreciate the ELEGOO Saturn's attention to detail, while the Asani Mini's features make it convenient and beginner-friendly. Overall, reviewers praise the ELEGOO Saturn for its detailed prints, large build volume, and excellent customer service, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced users. Meanwhile, the Asani Mini is highly recommended for its ease of use, user-friendly setup, and reliable performance, particularly for kids and beginners. So, there you have it. If you're looking for a powerhouse that'll make your friends go, "Whoa!" the ELEGOO Saturn is your go-to. But if you want something easy to use and don't mind spending a bit more for convenience, the Asani Mini might just be your new best friend. Remember folks, buy smart, not hard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more brutally honest reviews. Also, leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you in the next video.